Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome to video 870, where we're diving into the ultimate showdown, TD Ameritrade versus Webull. In this fast-paced comparison for 2025, we'll break down the key features, fees, and user experiences to help you pick the right broker for your trading style. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk fees. Both brokers offer commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, which is a huge win in 2025's cost-conscious market. However, TD Ameritrade might charge for some advanced options trades, while Webull keeps things ultra-low, often with zero fees on options and margin trading. If you're a frequent trader, Webull could save you more cash over time. Next, platform features are where things get exciting. TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim platform is a powerhouse for serious investors, packed with advanced charting, educational resources, and real-time data. It's perfect if you want in-depth analysis and tools for long-term strategies. On the flip side, Webull's app is sleek and mobile-friendly, with features like social trading and paper trading accounts. This makes it ideal for beginners or those who prefer quick, on-the-go trades. Now, investment options. Both support stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, but TD Ameritrade edges out with a wider range of mutual funds and bonds. Webull, however, offers extended trading hours and fractional shares, which is great for diversifying without big bucks. User experience is key too. TD Ameritrade shines with top-notch customer support and educational content, helping newcomers build confidence. Webull's interface is intuitive and modern, but it might feel overwhelming for absolute beginners. So, which one is right for you? If you're a pro seeking robust tools and education, go with TD Ameritrade. For cost-effective, mobile-first trading, Webull is your pick. Remember, always consider your goals and maybe test both with their free demo accounts. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. See you next time.